Hi everyone, it's Amanda, and I am super excited to show you what I have today. I got my very first Filofax Malden. I have been probably coveting one of these for lack of a better word. That's what it has been for a couple years now, I would say. And I finally had the opportunity to get one, and I am just so thrilled. So I'm going to open up the box and see what's inside. And this box is so nice. I've never had a box like this from Filofax. I've always had like the brown traditional boxes. And so I thought this was really cute. It's navy blue and it has all these different icons all over it. It's just cute. There's a little ding here, but I don't really care about that. And so we're just going to open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so here it is in all its glory. It is a beautiful plum color of leather. And I am not lying when I say the leather is like so soft and supple. It is just awesome and beautiful. The plum color is amazing, and I hope it's coming through on the camera, because from my angle I can only see dark. I can't see if it's coming through as I'm filming as a nice purple color, but it is just beautiful. It's all leather, and on the spine it has the signature of the F for Filofax right there. There on the back you can see the nice stitching of a complementary color. I believe it is like, I don't know, like a cream color or a gold color stitching. It's just really, really beautiful. It has a snap closure on the front and a little silver hardware that says Filofax. And it looks like lots of room to expand here. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Beautiful. I'm going to take this out. So on the left hand side there's all kinds of pockets. There's a long pocket here, a little couple credit card slots, 4 altogether, and then another pocket back here. It's pretty deep. It goes all the way to the end. And then here's a zipper pocket, and to put like coins or stamps or anything that you don't want to fall out inside. And it's really, really good quality, which I had heard that about Malden, and that's why I wanted one, because I guess people really love them, and once they get them they just, you know, want to get more of them. So I really wanted to try one, and I love it already. So it's stamped on the inside. It says Filofax Malden, personal organizer, antiqued leather. And it just feels like such good quality. The rings are silver and they look to be about 1 inch. There's no gaps in between, which is something that's always worries with some of the less expensive planners. They will have a little bit of gaps sometimes. And let's see how easily these open. Yeah, pretty good. And then we'll just close them back up. And then in the back, make sure I stay in focus there or inside the frame. In the back is a long pocket, and it feels like it goes all the way down, and another side pocket. So there's lots of room to keep things organized. It's very, very, very nice. So when I purchased this Filofax, it came with some inserts. This is the fly leaf, and then it came with 6 little divider tabs. And I actually don't use these when I'm planning. I use them in storage. So what I do is when I do my weekly plans in my personal planner, I will save them and file them by year and by month. So that's what I use those for. There are some to-do lists, and this is a pretty cream color paper. I believe it's probably called cotton, or because I have some like it, cream cotton or something like that. And then some lined ruled paper, grid. I love the grid paper. It's one of my favorites. Some plain paper, which is good for sketching. And then contacts, which I don't usually use, but I have thought about using them to keep track of my favorite Etsy stores and shops. Then there is some colored ruled paper in blue and green and pink. And you can see they're going past the rings very easily. A nice color ruler. This is dark, like a brown. And normally I get them, they are clear. So that's a little bit different. And then after the pink paper, there is the calendar. Okay, cotton cream. I was close. So let's see, we've got a year on one page, 2018. And then here you have the before year 2017 and the year after 2019. These are nice to have. Personal information, I do not tend to keep that in my Filofax in case it gets lost. I might keep a phone number or something, but that's about it, or an email. Let's see, all this personal information, there's no way I would put all that on there. Let's see, what is this? National information. I do not know. What is this? I don't know. Maybe it's how to dial like a phone. Let me see what the U.S. Nope, that's okay. U.S. dollar. January 1, 15, February 19th. Okay, these are the holidays. That's what these are, I believe. All the way through here. Yep, these are the holidays. Okay. And then GMT, which is a time, www.us, and then a dial-in code. Okay, so here's the phone codes. So partially right. So this is kind of interesting, and it has it for every single country. So let's see, I go to Mexico a lot. So these are all the holidays for Mexico, and let me tell you, they have a lot. Look at that. .mx and 52. So I will probably keep that in my planner. It's pretty interesting. Notable days, it's just another thing for the holidays, and then religious festivals, or yeah, festivals. So I like that. So now we come to the calendar, and there's just a couple pages to say how we like it, you know. Holiday symbols. Not sure what I would do with that. And then we have the week on 2 pages for each week. And there's enough for the entire year. And let's see, it has in several different languages. I probably will use these for other purposes and not for my weekly views or weekly plans, because I already have my So Much Crafting inserts. But what I like to do with these is I will just cover up the dates and use them for another week. It makes no difference to me. And let's see, we have a notes section. And then it's time for a new diary, how you can find it. And in the back is a plastic pocket where you can keep stuff safe and secure. So that's everything that's an insert. And then I also purchased some purple lined pages, just because I was feeling kind of festive with my purple planner, my plum planner, and I wanted some matching lined paper. And I got both of these from Amazon, and like I said, it was high time that I got this. It's been a while. And here's a little Deloro jot pad. This came in it too. It fits Deloro, Filofax, Gilio, Mulberry Pocket, Personal A5, and most other sizes. Okay, so this is the Malden, Filofax Malden in Plum. I am so excited to get it, and I can't wait to use it up my Kiki K I have right now, but this is for a good reason, so I love it. And there's lots and lots of rooms to expand. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd love it to have you as a subscriber on my channel. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.